Today's lecture 8 of Basic Electronics is number system binary to hexadecimal.
Today our lecture is based on the conversion of binary to hexadecimal. Binary, we always know that the base 2 is a binary and hexadecimal is always be 16. This will be a base 2. This will be a base 16, which will be hexadecimal, not 8. 8 is our octal, right? So for hexadecimal, from binary conversion, we need to know a table. That is, as it is hexadecimal, that is, it is 16. Whenever we divide it by 2, we get 8. So for in the first column, we will have 8 zeros and 8 ones. Again, when we divide it by 2, it is 4. So we will, in the next column, we will have 4 zeros, 4 ones until we reach the 16th row. Okay. Again, when we divide, we get 2. So we will have, these are the questions. Okay. So we will have 2 zeros, 2 ones. Again 2 zeros, 2 ones until we reach the 16th row. Again, when we divide, we get the quotient as 1. So we will have 1 0, 1 1, 1 0, 1 1. Right? Until we reach the 16th row. Now we will give them a number. And as it is, the hexadecimal is from 0 to 15. Why 0 to 15? If our base is 16, it will be 16 minus 1, that is the last digit will be 16 minus 1. So first row will be 0, second row will be 1, third row will be 2, fourth row will be 3, fifth row will be 4, sixth row will be 5, and till 9 it's okay. But we can't denote the rows as 10, 11 or 12. We will give them an alphabet, that is from A, B, C, D, E, F, and it will be till 50. Okay. Now we will take the question, that is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. We will write the question first. We will write the question and we will cut it into 4 digits. First 4 digits, that will be 0, 0, 0, 1. We will see in the table what the digit is. If it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, then the number is 1. So we will write 1. Then we will see, we will go from right to left and we will take 4 digit. It was 0, 1, 0, as there was no 4 digit, we will put a 0 here. Okay. So we will move from right to left. Now we will see where 0, 0, 1, 0 comes. 0, 0, 1, 0 comes at 2. So we will write 2, 1. And this will be our hexadecimal number. Now we will see a floating point. This is the floating point question, that is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, point 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary to hexadecimal we have to do. So we will write the question. If you want, you can divide by 4, or before decimal we will move from right to left. But after decimal we will move from left to right. We will take the first 4 digits, that is the 0, 0, 1. Where it comes, let's see. 0, 0, 0, 1 comes at 1. So we will write as 1. 0, 0, 1, 0 is the next 4 digit. Now we will see where it comes in the table. It comes in the table. It comes in 0, 0, 1, 0 comes at 2. So it will be 2 here. Now after point we'll move from left to right, that is 0 0 1 0. Where it comes in the table? 0 0 1 0 comes at 2, so it will be 2. And 0 0 1 1 is the next 4 digit. Where it comes at 1. So our answer will be 21.21. After decimal, we pronounce each digit as a single. Okay. So this is the answer of this binary to hexadecimal. Okay. We will solve a question on now binary to hexadecimal. This is the 2 questions. So let's solve it. First we will make the table. So what I told, for 16, first we will make 8 zeros, 3, 4 and 8 ones until we reach the 16th column. Next we will do 4 zeros, 4 ones until we reach the 15th column. Then we will do 2 0, 2 1 until we reach the 15th column. Last will be of 1 0 1 1 until we reach the 15th row, not columns, okay, 15th row. We will depict each row as corresponding number. Will start from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. But after 9 we will write as alphabets, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now let's solve the question. That is, first question is 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. As I told, we will move 4 digits and we will move from right to left. 4 digit. This is a 4 digit, that is 1 1 0 0. 1 1 0 0 comes at C. Then again we will move from right to left. We will take 4 digits, that is 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1 comes at 9. So your answer in hexadecimal is this. Now we will do the floating point, that is 1 1 1 point or 0 1 1. Before decimal we will move from right to left. As it is 3 digits, we will put a 0 here to make 4 digits. So 0 1 1 1 comes at 7. So we will write 7. After decimal we will move from left to right, that is 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1 comes at 3. So we will write 3 here. So answer for this one is 7.3 and answer for this is 9C. And like this we will convert binary to hexadecimal. Thank you.
I think all of you understood today's lecture. And thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.